If you've ever asked yourself, what exactly is cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the space or just curious, this video will break down the basics in simple, easy to understand terms. This is your beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, brought to you by Coinmama. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a type of digital money. But unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, crypto lives entirely online. It isn't printed, and there's no central bank controlling it. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies today. Bitcoin was the first, and it's still the most well-known. Others like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Solana have gained popularity for their own use cases. Crypto is decentralized. That means it's powered by a network of computers, called a blockchain, rather than a single authority like a bank or government. Most cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology. A blockchain is basically a digital ledger. Every transaction is recorded, timestamped, and publicly verified by the network. Once data is added, it can't be changed, which makes it secure and transparent. When you send crypto, you're transferring value from one digital wallet to another. Every transaction gets verified by a global network of nodes, and once it's approved, it's added to the chain. Crypto's value depends on supply and demand, just like any other asset. But several things can influence a coin's price, like scarcity, utility, network activity, and investor sentiment. For example, Bitcoin has a limited supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist. That scarcity is one reason many people view it as digital gold. People use crypto for many reasons: to invest, send money internationally, pay for goods and services, or even as a hedge against inflation in unstable economies. It's fast, borderless, and in some cases, more accessible than traditional banking. Some users also like the idea of greater privacy and control over their own money. And that's a wrap on the basics of cryptocurrency. From how it works to why it matters, you're now one step closer to understanding the future of finance. Ready to explore crypto on your own terms? Visit coinmama.com to start learning, comparing, and making informed decisions today.